Hello there, we are back another day working on the Le Mans. We've got the bumper off. I'm going to take the front clip off and hopefully get it ready and clean for the new engine. But we're going to kind of get rocking and hopefully make some real progress today on some things so we can get the Firebird in here and hopefully figure out that squeal the next day or two, because I go back to work here soon. So let's do it. But at this point, getting the core support out, kind of priority. Hey, my seat! Found your seat? Is that what you're saying? God, dude. Yeah. Oh, God, it stinks.
Like heater cars are wonderful to do.
That's why I say do it now while you can.
Fine, it's fine. Is that thing gonna come off now?
Well, the front end is off of the Le Mans. We had a few weird little quirky things. Like, these were totally full of just garbage. Mice, droppings, seat pieces, things like that. But now we can go through everything and start to get it painted. Appreciate you guys following along. As always, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.